Good morning students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain assignment number 9 in statistic chapter. Coming to question number 1. See the question number 1. The question number 1 is the formula of mean deviation method for ungrouped data. Here he is asking mean for ungrouped data by deviation method. The formula for this is mean x bar is equal to a plus a is here assumed mean plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. So this is called the option, that is the answer. Coming to question number 2. Dash is middle observations. You observe middle observation is nothing but median. Middle observation is nothing but median. So in option the second option is correct. Coming to question number 3. You observe the median of first 6 odd natural numbers. The median of first 6 odd natural numbers is, just observe, he is asking median of first 6 odd natural numbers. The odd natural numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are 6 odd natural numbers. Here we find the median. So median is nothing but middle observations. Here observe that there are n number of numbers is even numbers. So first of all, just cancel these two and these two. So the average of these two terms, that is equal to, median is equal to 5 plus 7 by 2, that is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. 6 is called the median. So in options, that is the first option. Okay, coming to question number 4. In the given data 15, 12, 11, x plus 6, 7, 5, 4 are in order. You observe that this data in order, either this is in decreasing order, then their median is given, the median is 10, then the value of x. Median is called middle observation. Median is called middle observation. You observe that here there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are numbers are n numbers are odd numbers, that is equal to 7 numbers, that is equal to, median is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4. Fourth observation is called median. Here the fourth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, x plus 6 is equal to 10. Here x plus 6 is equal to 10, therefore the value of x is equal to 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. In B option is correct. Coming to question number 5. The data is as n number of observations. The data is n number of observations. If n is odd, you observe that here n is odd. If n is odd, then the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. So n is odd, then the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. The option is C. Coming to Roman number 2, answer the following. These are blanks. So coming to question number 6, the median of these observations. To find median of any observations, first of all, to arrange the given data in increasing order or decreasing order. So coming to solution, first given data, the given data is, just write as 75, 21, 36, 91, 5, 40, 42. First of all, to arrange the given data in increasing order, small to big. So coming to here, the small one is 5, small one is 5, 5 after 21, 5 after 21, 21 after 36, 36 after 42, 42 after 42, the number is 75, and finally the number is 91. Okay, just observe the given data. Just wait 1 minute. I write here. Just observe. Here I arrange the data in increasing order. First one is 5. 5 after 21. 21 after 36. 36 after 42. 42 after 75. And finally 91. We observe that the given number of numbers is even number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, median is equal to, if n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but the average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1 observations. Here the n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here n is 6. That is equal to 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 1 observations. That is equal to, finally 6 by 2 means 3. Here the third observation is 36 plus 3 plus 1. Fourth observation is 42 by 2. So simplify these two terms. We will get the median. Here 78 by 2. The value of 78 by 2 is equal to the value of 78 by 2. Just observe the value 78 by 2, that is equal to 39. So 39 is called the median of these observations. Okay, coming to question number 7. The data has n number of observations. If n is even, you observe that given n is even, he asks median. If n is equal to even, then the median is equal to the average of n by 2, the average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1. If the data is n number of observations, if n is even, then the median is equal to the average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1. This is called the median. Okay. Coming to question number 8. The median of these numbers is, first of all, he asking the median of these numbers. To find median of any ungrouped data numbers, first of all, to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. First of all, coming to solution, you will observe that here the numbers are 3, 8, 7, 6 and 5 like this. First of all, the least number here is 3. 3 repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Write 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 after there is no 4, only 5. 5 comes 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 5, 5, 5, 5. And 5 after there is a 6. 6 comes 1, 2, 2 times. And 6 after 7. 7 is here. 1, 2, 2 times. Sorry. And finally the 8s are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 8s. 1, 8. You observe that here the total numbers are here 16. N is equal to 16. Here n is equal to 16. Therefore, so median is equal to 16 by 2 plus 16 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 16 is equal to n here. So that is equal to, I write here. So 8th term plus 9th term by 2. You observe that here the 8th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th term is this. This is the 9th term. Therefore, 5 plus 6 by 2, that is equal to 11 by 2, that is equal to 5.5. Here the median is equal to 5.5. Coming to question number 9. If the some numbers are given are in the order, you observe that they are in order. If in ungrouped data some unknown is given, so x or y is given, he is given in like they are in order. The median is 5. So observe that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. 6 numbers means median is equal to, so n is equal to 6 here. So median is equal to 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 1 by 2 observations. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Third observation. Third observation is this. Fourth observation is this. Therefore, implies 6 plus x by 2 is equal to, given the median is 5. Given the median is 5, that is equal to 5. That is, we can conclude that 6 plus x is equal to 10. X plus 6 is equal to 10. So the value of x is equal to 4. You observe that one point. Here ungrouped data, there is x is given. He is given. They are in order. They are in order. Okay. Coming to question number 10. By deviation method, arithmetic mean of, this is arithmetic mean, where he asking fi into di. Fi into di is called sum of deviations. Fi into di is called sum of deviations. That is, Fi into di is called sum of deviations. Okay, this is today's assignment. Thank you very much.